Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Scarves are an essential part of any winter wardrobe, aside from providing warmth. This accessory is often our outfit's missing piece, adding interest, colour, or even a fun print. However, there are numerous solutions for how to tie a scarf. And each twist or knot has the ability to instantly boost any look. So, if you're hoping to go beyond that simple drape, check out on for a few fun ways to tie a scarf, helping you make the most out of this little extra all season long. So keep it watch and don't forget to support and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.